here we go with another unboxing, and we're going to start with the smallest one. And this is Trinessa's stuff, my zombie apocalypse knife, just in case. You never know when you might have to stab a bunch of zombies out of nowhere.
Yeah.
But
I know what a lot of these are, but he scratched off the label, so I can't see. So we'll just have to open it and go with that.
Sure. And we'll see what you have here.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure probably everything is for you.
Maybe.
Maybe, because that's just how things go.
That's just how I roll.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, so we got some pops. This one is from FYE. Oh, okay. I know what this is. It's the trap jaw.
Oh my God.
From FYE. And we got two because both of us collect. So we'll just open the one.
We'll still want to check the condition of the other one.
Yeah. Now this one I bought at the store, but I got it from the store in Illinois. So my neighbor had to pick it up because it came after we left. So that's why it's so greatly wrapped. But this is the trap jaw, the FYE exclusive, and he's a lighter green. If you had got the first one that came out, which was a Funko shop release, I think it was a darker green. So this one goes without
blue,
set.
Wasn't it?
No, I think it was green. Now you got me.
If you're wondering why he's green, yeah, green face with a blue body.
Yeah, because in the original, that's how he was.
Yeah, in the original comic books, he was green.
Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, next.
Next up.
This one here got a little damage on the corner, but hopefully it didn't affect the items inside. Okay, it's double boxed. Oh, okay, this is a Masters of the Universe. Lord Mosque. Okay, let's get it opened up. And here we go.
There's a little buckling right there on the edge. I'm kind of surprised.
On the corner, but you know.
And this came from that Mattel online, the Mattel eBay clearance store is where that came from. Because I had ordered Trinessa a couple of surprises from off of their service. And I'll put a link to that down below so you can check them out. They have some really good clearance deals on there.
Okay, let's see what's next.
And this one is, it's not bad.
Yeah, a little damage, but hopefully, again, the items inside have been packaged pretty good, or bubble wrapped and other stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, another Masters of the Universe. This one is Multibot.
Multibot.
Okay. This is a different size because the majority of them come in the same size box. Well, you know. Oh, okay, I see what this is. Oh, it doesn't have a window. So it looks like this.
Looks like this. And that is a Horde villain. Sort of the robot version of Modulock, if you remember Modulock.
Yeah, I have all of these except for Mantana.
Oh, you don't have Mantana? I wasn't aware.
Okay. Let's move on.
A priority mailbox. The boxes are getting bigger here. And it is a dirty box. It looks like it's been on the truck for weeks.
Yeah. Got a little cut here. I hope it doesn't affect whatever's inside.
Yeah, I see that. Something was pressed into that.
Yeah.
Well, it didn't go all the way through.
Okay.
Oh, my.
You got some pops.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Okay, so this one is the Emperor's New Groove
And this is a Continuum Toys order, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one is Zama. And I've talked about Continuum Toys before. I like them because they do bundle sets and they do chase bundle sets. Crunk.
Yeah, you'll get everything from them except for store exclusives.
Yeah.
They'll sell you the whole set in a group.
Yeah, and they ship all at once. So with that said, if you order something, like I ordered the Emperor's New Groove set, and then if you order another set at the same time, they're going to wait until all of it is in. So, you might be waiting for a while and the item might be in the store before you get it. But if that's the case, they're waiting on the second item. You know what I mean? So like this whole set plus whatever else. Okay. And this is the chase version. Chase. And again, they do sell the chase versions, and the prices are really cheap. And I've put their link on other videos so other people can take advantage because they're super cheap. And I have the Hot Topic exclusive of this, so my set is complete. All right. And then
David Spade.
Fraggle Rock, Uncle Traveling Matt.
Yeah, light in there so you can see him. Remember Uncle Traveling Matt?
Okay, and we get 2 of those because we both collect. And that's the Continuum Toys. And they do a good job packing, as you can see. So they're a good company. I've had this is the second time I've gotten something from them, and it's been really good. Okay, and this one is a big boy.
That is a big box. And Fragile, you can't see it because we got the address side underneath, but Fragile is written all over it, and Fragile is not the word of the day as far as UPS was concerned, because there are cuts and holes and dents all over this box all the way around.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you can see a pretty bad one right there that goes all the way across underneath. A lot of dents. UPS is pretty bad with that sort of thing.
Yeah.
So we're hoping that everything in here is going to be all right.
I hope so.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, let's start cutting this open.
And this is also from Continuum Toys again.
It is a corrugated box, so it might have absorbed a lot of that.
Oh, okay. And then it's all boxed inside.
The small box is inside.
Okay, so we'll start with this one.
Very good Continuum Toys.
Yeah, so you can see how Continuum Toys did it. They put it in one big box, and then they got smaller boxes. So
a kudos point for Continuum Toys.
Yeah.
For making an effort. Also, I want to point out on the inside of this box, I'll tip this down, they put cardboard borders inside all the way around.
Yeah.
They I guess they know how UPS is.
And I did contact the guy because if you contact them, they will respond quickly. And because I was wondering, I ordered a lot of different things. When would it come in? And they said that they would ship everything at once, and they're pretty good at packing, and this proves that they are good at packing.
Yeah.
So kudos to them, Continuum Toys.
So where do you want to start?
Just whatever. Got to do all of them anyway.
I wonder what that means. 3
bad, 1 really.
I hope that doesn't mean that there's really bad condition items in the box. Oh my gosh.
So
let's turn that upside down.
These are Masters of the Universe. So we have 2 of each.
Oh my.
Stratos. Orko. And Beastman. And then these 3 are the exact same ones. The exact
same ones, because we both collect them, and so we both have a set here.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Okay. And move that.
We'll move on to this one. What does that say?
Jerry Garcia.
3 bad.
3 bad chests.
Really. Quit doing that, guys.
Yeah, I don't know.
us,
And Jerry Garcia.
Yeah, Jerry Garcia.
Whatever that means.
Well, Jerry Garcia was the lead singer from the Grateful Dead, and he had a pop.
Oh
my, Looney Tunes. I know you're going to love this. Let's get this dumped out.
Yep.
You can take a look at that.
Okay, so we have Bugs Bunny Opera.
Yeah.
The regular Bugs.
Yeah.
Elmer Fudd at the Opera. Taz.
You see him in there? He's dark.
Yeah. Sylvester and Tweety. That's cool that they put them in a box together.
I like that they did that.
That part of the cartoon, they were together, so that made sense. And Sylvester is bigger than Tweety.
Stallone.
And Daffy Duck.
Daffy Duck. And let's clear some of these away, and then we'll bring out the next box.
All right.
6 bad. Here we go again. I don't know. These cases must have been used for something else, and they just repacked them.
Yeah. Which is fine, because the stuff inside looks great.
Yeah, it looks great. I mean, there's no damage at all so far.
And this is some more Masters of the Universe and Fraggle Rock.
Yeah. Let's turn that out.
And all of the Fraggle Rocks came with Dozer.
With a doozer.
With a doozer. And then we got 2 of those. And this is Wembley.
Wembley with Cotter Pin, because the doozers have names. So there's a double title on each of these.
And Merman. And the Merman chase.
Oh, show that chase. Look at that. Blue and green merman.
Yay.
Which, again, the color variation has to do with the color variations in the original comic series. Next up, this one says Beastman, 6 pieces. It says 1 bad.
0 really.
0 really. Make up your minds, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they just...
That's some kind of code.
Totally repacked.
Yeah. Some kind of code they use. Okay.
I see Skeletor. I see...
He-Man and Evil Lyn.
Evil Lyn.
Okay.
Battle armor. He-Man, that is.
Mm-hmm. Skeletor.
Battle armor skill. You know what would have been cool? If they made it so that the chest plate would actually rotate like the original Battle Armor characters did.
Yeah. And Evil Lyn.
Evil Lyn.
Evelyn.
Evelyn. I wonder
Can't
if there
remember
was
her
an
last.
Evelyn.
Her last. I think I want to say Jones.
Well, you know the faceless one was her father.
Yeah, the faceless one was her father. Evelyn. They had her last name. It seemed like it was Evelyn Jones. I can't remember.
Who was a hero, actually, not a villain.
And his daughter went astray.
And these are all excellent condition. Oops. Yeah, these are all in great shape.
Yeah.
Very happy about that. This one says Stratos.
Woohoo.
Pretty sure there's not a half a dozen Stratos in here.
No.
I'm surprised there's actually a couple of things for me in here.
Mm-hmm.
More Bugs
I didn't
Bunny?
leave you out. Yeah.
Oh, you
it's
got
the same.
me a set?
Mm-hmm.
I did not know that.
I know you didn't.
Oh my goodness.
That's your Christmas.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what to say.
No.
It's late.
You have to wait on the whole item.
Well,
but you don't have to show it again.
I appreciate that. Well, people want to
see.
see.
He's surprised because he didn't think I got him anything for Christmas. This is his Christmas gift.
It's very late. I wasn't worried about it.
This one in the He-Man, and I was worried. That's why I contact Continuum Toys to ask when they were going to ship it, and they said they were going to wait on everything. And I knew that the Emperor's New Groove was going to be late. So I was like, oh, man. But I never said anything. So I just let him think.
Well,
I didn't get him anything.
There we go. I appreciate that, though. I did not know you did that.
I know. That's the point.
Last box.
Woohoo,
This one does have a couple of bangs in it. So
yeah, hopefully it's just the box and not what's inside.
Yeah.
Because as you can see, they do a fantastic job packing.
And the box last is corrugated, so.
Yep, the last of the Fraggle Rock.
Last of the Fraggle Rock. Red with Doozer.
Yep.
I can't see her. It's just the lighting, because you know with like this one, and this is a problem Funko has with a lot of figures. They put the cutout so big you cannot look right at the figure, so you turn it sideways so you can see her, unless you just take her out of the box.
Yeah.
See, like those, like this guy right here, Gobo. You can see Gobo in there. You can see Gobo. But you couldn't see Red. And there is Moki with Doozer. Mm-hmm. But you can't really see him either. Looking straight at it.
Mm-hmm. And then those are the same things all over again.
Same things all over again. And that's what we had.
So we hope you enjoyed our unboxing.
And we will see you again soon. I'll put a link down below for Continuum Toys and also for Mattel's eBay clearance if you wanted to check that out. There's a lot of great deals on there. And I guess that's it.
Bye.
We'll see you again soon.
Mm-hmm.